Proper eyewear such as safety goggles must always be worn in the machining lab. Long pants and closed-toed shoes must also be worn. Long sleeves must be rolled up and out of the way. Jewelry such as watches or necklaces must be removed. Rings must also be removed prior to working with machinery. This video will go over basic safety steps when dealing with machinery in the machining lab. We will cover many of the machines such as the milling machine, lathe, and drill press. We'll discuss how to take care of the machines, how to operate them properly, and how to stay safe in the lab. Following these safety instructions will ensure a safe and fun process. First, we will start with the drill press. When working with the drill press, always hold work in a vise or clamp on the drill table. Use the proper cutting fluid for the material being drilled. Remove any chips with a brush and never by hand. Don't use a dull or cracked drill bit. Inspect the drill before using. Don't drill with too much pressure. Run the drill at the correct RPM for diameter of drill bit and material. Ask shop personnel for the correct RPM. When using the lathe, remove any chips with a brush. When inserting the tool bit, make sure it is at a safe distance from the cullet when inserting or removing work. When removing or inserting the faceplate, do not use machine power. Don't run the machine faster than the proper cutting speed. Consult a speed and feed table to determine the best speed. Make sure cutter is rotating in the proper direction before using material when using the milling machine. Before running the machine, the spindle should be rotated by hand to make sure it is clear for cutting. Work must be clamped securely in a vise to the table, or work must be clamped securely to the table. Don't place anything on the milling machine, such as wrenches, hammers, or tools. Remove any excess chips with a brush, and use proper cutting fluid when necessary. A hammer may be used to confirm secureness. Adjust plate using the X, Y, and Z axes. Following these safety guides will ensure a safe and effective work environment in the machining lab.